This video is about the correct adjustment of ridge center finding. Let's start by identifying incorrect settings. You can recognize an incorrect setting by the fact that the intake or the ridge drums are not centered over the ridges. Additionally, you may occasionally see cut potatoes on the sorting table that have a smooth, clean cut. How do you adjust the ridge center finding? Go to the intake side on the control terminal. In the lower left corner, you will find the area for adjusting the ridge center finding. Here you can see whether the function is activated and which value is currently set. First, go ahead and select the settings area. You will see that adjustment buttons appear on the right side of the control terminal. Simply use the plus and minus buttons provided to shift the center of the intake to the left or right. The ridge center finding is considered to be optimally adjusted when the intake is located exactly in a central position over the ridges, and the ridge drums roll perfectly straight over the ridge. The correct adjustment of the ridge center finding is absolutely essential and critical to avoid causing any unnecessary damage to the potato crop.